Well, we've got water in the boiler, and as you can see, the gas burner is alight and burning quite nicely. I did wonder whether I would need to put some holes in the around the firebox to let air in, but it seems to work quite fine. And obviously that entryway is plenty big enough to get air in, so let's wait for it to build up some pressure. Well, I think we're there. Oh yes, a little bit wet, but it's running, yay! So. Oh yeah, superb. Very quiet too. Now I think it would be quieter still, but there's lots of slop in the where the crankshaft runs through those bearings. That runs a treat. I'm not pleased with that. This will run the other direction. Yeah, it's not as well. It runs. But obviously runs a lot better clockwise. Yeah, we've got a bit of a steam leak from the safety valve. The regulator works okay. That's just the dummy governor. I really do like the little dummy governor. Well, this one's definitely been well worth all the effort put into it. I mean, that runs excellent. There's nothing wrong with that. I shut the regulator for a minute and we'll let it build up a bit more pressure. As you can see, there is a little bit of a steam blow off coming from the safety valve there. So not much, but just a little bit. Okay, so part of the problem with it going anti-clockwise is the dummy governor catches on the broken tooth when you go in that direction, whereas in this direction it just is when you run it clockwise it's actually pretty good. So that's part of the problem. It definitely does run better clockwise than it runs anti-clockwise, but that's what was stopping it. Turn the regulator off and turn it back on again. See, it will run okay anti-clockwise without this connected, but it binds up when you try and turn it that way. So there you go. So it will run anti-clockwise, it's just that it prefers to run clockwise. So, the other thing is we're getting a bit low on gas. I'm going to have to change the gas cylinders, I think. Yeah, the gas was right down to next to nothing, so I've changed the cylinder out now. And I've put the dry belt back on for the dummy governor, and there we go. We're off. Must do something about that tooth on that one of these cogs that's broken. Run to treat. Lovely. Nothing wrong with it, I thought it'll run slowly like that. Must do something about the safety valve, it's very definitely bleeding steam off. But let's open the regulator up. Right, I'm going to try it the other way again, but it probably won't run. Ooh, ooh. Oh, isn't that strange? The dummy governor's running fine now, backwards, or anti-clockwise. How weird. Maybe there just wasn't quite enough pressure because the gas was going. Yeah, see, it's locked up, see? It's locked up. Yeah, that's obviously what's causing the problem. Oh well, never mind. It works, that's what matters. Well, oh, we haven't tried the whistle. Let's try the whistle. Well, that's stiff, that. There you go. Oh well, it was worth a try. Well, I guess that'll about wrap it up really for the Marklin 4122 hybrid. Very pleased with the results. It works. It's fine, and yeah, lovely little engine. As always, hope you've enjoyed the series of videos on this. It was a lot of work, but I enjoyed it, and I've enjoyed the end result. So, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.